If you no longer want to use Fundrise and are thinking about closing your account, it's important to follow the correct steps to avoid any issues. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to close your Fundrise account step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to safely withdraw your funds and deactivate your account. First, log into your Fundrise account. Once you're inside your dashboard, review your portfolio carefully. Before closing your account, you need to make sure all your investments are withdrawn or redeemed. Next, go to the Withdraw or Request Redemption section and submit a request to withdraw your funds. Choose the amount, select your bank account, and confirm the request. Keep in mind that Fundrise withdrawals are not instant and may take several days or weeks to process. Wait until all your funds have been successfully transferred to your bank account. This step is important because you typically cannot close your account while investments are still active. After your balance becomes zero, go to your account settings. Look for options like Account Settings, Profile, or Security. Now, find the option related to closing or deactivating your account. If you see a Close Account button, click on it and follow the instructions. If you don't see a direct option, you may need to contact Fundrise support. Go to the Help or Support section and submit a request asking them to close your account. They may ask you to confirm your identity before proceeding. Once your request is processed, your account will be deactivated. Before closing, make sure to download any important documents like tax statements or transaction history for your records. In this tutorial, we learned how to close a Fundrise account by withdrawing funds, ensuring a zero balance, and either using account settings or contacting support. This ensures a smooth and complete account closure. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.